Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add margin and padding in section for desktop and mobile layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see edit section, so click on it and on left side you see layout style advanced, so click on advanced and then you see margin padding, so you can set margin and padding for this section according to your requirement. Now we are going to add padding. Now you see link value together. If you want you can add separate top, right, bottom, left padding. First unlink value together. If you want to add same padding for all top, right, bottom, left, just add 5 or 55 px. Now you see px. Now select, you see percentage, rem, vw, so you can set according to your requirement. Now padding is 55 px. If you want separate padding for top, right, bottom, left, first unlink value together, so click on it. Now you can add separate padding. Now you see bottom, top, left, right. Now you see, so you can add according to your requirement. Now 20 left, 20 px right, top 15 px, bottom 15 px. So this is our padding. Now you see edit section, so click on it and then go to advanced, so you can add padding here according to your requirement. First unlink. Now top 50, bottom 50, 20 right, 20 left. Now you see. Now click on edit section again, so we are going to add margin. Now on left side you see margin. Now you see top 30. Now you see, if you want to add separate margin for top and bottom, first unlink value together. Now you can add separate according to your requirement. So this is for desktop. Now you see desktop icon. Also you see responsive mode, so click on it and then you see mobile portrait and tablet. Now click on mobile. Now you see mobile margin and padding. Now scroll down, this is our section. If you want to add separate padding for mobile, first click on this. Now all 0. Now you can set according to your requirement, top 20, right 20, left 20, bottom 20 px. Also if you want you can add margin like this. If you want to add separate margin, first unlink value together, so click on it. Now you can add according to your requirement. Now 5 like this. So in this way you can set margin and padding for mobile and desktop layout in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.